on editgrid. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to editgrid first. Editgrid, www.editgrid.com, and sign up. Yeah, we'll sign up for personal user. Email. And then we'll put okay, and then we'll put in a password. Okay. And agree. And then go to the workspace. And now the username is redhottycod. And I'm going to create from a blank. No, I'm going to come up here and click new. It's going to open up a new window. Alright, so now I'm going to name it, let's name it random. You know what, we'll name it tard list. And right now it's private. I'm going to save it. Alright, so it's kind of like Google Docs, but a little more tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to widen my fields here. Just grab it at the top, just like you do Google Docs. Grab it, move it, whatever. You can make the row bigger too. That's going to be my name field, and my hyperlink is you can put hyperlinks in here. This is going to be the mobster ID. This is going to be the bounty amount. And this is going to be where we're going to put their monies. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is type in mobster name and link. Second field, mobster ID. Third field, bounty. Fourth field, money. So I'm going to make it pretty first. I'm going to change it to another font, which will be comic. Change it to like 14 points, which is I'm gonna grab this whole row, just like you do in Google Docs, and drag it down. I'm gonna make it bold, and I'll make the background yellow, and make the wording black. And then I'm gonna adjust this field, because see, that's too big right there, so I'm just gonna make it wider. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and, I haven't figured quite how to go all the way down yet so I can grab everything, but I'm going to kind of make this, all of them wider like that. I'm going to make them bold, make them 11 points, make them comic, and I'm also going to give it borders. So you come up here, here's your borders. I'm going to put borders all the way around and on the inside. And I'm going to align them to the left. And I'm going to make the background black. And I'm going to make the writing yellow. Let's see. Well, now that I've made it black, I guess I now have to do no borders? No? Okay. So I'm going to come down here and just go down the line, grab the next bunch. 11, comic, bold, the line to the left. Black letters are going to be yellow. Okay. Normally I just keep going all the way down, but we'll leave it like this for now. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I can make borders on this. I'm going to click these borders, I'm going to click advanced, I'm going to do all, and I'm going to make the borders yellow. No, I'm going to make them gray or white. Let's see if we have an option for that. Or we could even do in blue. Let's see what that looks like. Nope, that doesn't look great. Okay. Anyways, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get a Mobster ID to put in here. And this is where we're going to put a hyperlink, just so that we can see what we're doing. I can mess with this later. I'm going to put the background back to blue and give it borders again. Okay. I'll make this one the same thing. Blue. And we'll give it borders. And we're also going to make them, we're going to make these wider. Let's see. Borders, blue, and black. Make them wider. A little bit wider. And we'll make our letters black here too. Letters black, in case I have them still set to yellow. Okay. So now we're going to get a Mobster link. I have my Mobsters open. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open up this link here. And I'm going to grab the address bar and copy it. And come back over here. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to say edit hyperlink. I'm going to click in here, right click where it says web address, and I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to come back to my other window, grab the name of the Mobster, put it in here. And now, when I click on this name, it'll open up the link. And I'm thinking that I also need a level, so now we're going to insert another column in here. So I highlighted this whole column. I'm going to insert columns. And it should insert it to the left, yeah. I'm going to drag it just a little bit. I'm going to type in level. She's a level 350. Let me grab her Mobster ID, which if you don't know how to get it, it's right up here in the address bar. User ID 223A22. You want the numbers after the 22, so I'm going to start right here. Highlight it all the way back to the 22. Right click, copy, and then paste it. I'm going to click paste from clipboard because a lot of times if I just click paste, it still gives me the hyperlink. Okay, now I'm going to go back and get her bounty. I'm going to put that in here. Paste from clipboard. Make that field wider. Okay. Now I'm going to go, we'll do one more. We'll do this one. Once again, we'll edit hyperlink, and you can also change that. Paste. And go back. Get the name. Actually, I'm going to do one more after this because I'm going to show one more thing here. Level 70. Mobster ID. Paste from clipboard. Add to list. Okay. Paste